Hi, welcome to Cross Tales TV. Today I'll be showing you another top strategy you can use to make sales online. Can use to make sales online on Clickbank especially. This is for Clickbank user. Now go to your Chrome browser. I'm now on my Chrome browser and I'll be going to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com. What is clickbank.com as you know? Clickbank is a platform that enable you to be able to promote other people's products as an affiliate, as an affiliate as an affiliate. So either it's Clickbank or any other affiliate platform you think you already joined, you can go to the platform. I'm going to show you a method that works which can help you make sales, just by contacting. Still loading. I'm very sorry for the slow data movement right here. Okay, so this is the platform. So if you are new to my channel, so what you just need to do is to click on the sign up button here. It's going to take you to a particular place where you have access to be able to sign up on this platform. So it's still loading. Very sorry for the slow data rate. So this is it. Then what? Let me scroll down. You add your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password. Then you agree to their terms and condition. Then you join Clickbank. That is if you are a newbie. But if you are not a newbie, then what? Just sign in direct to your account. Just sign in direct to your account. Since I already created account on this platform before, so I won't be signing up except to log into my account. Still loading. So there is it. You can see my already created username and password. So I'll be logging in now. So this is the dashboard. So we'll be going to the affiliate marketplace. So that's what we need. So I'm now on affiliate marketplace. What is the affiliate marketplace? The affiliate marketplace is where you have access to different categories of products on this platform. So we'll be clicking on this find product search menu to see the top products selling currently on this platform. Currently Zipio is the top product, then after that is Java Bomb, then after that is what? Dentators, then numerologists, and many more. So since I've already created my own. I've already get my own affiliate link from this person. I won't be doing that again. How can you get your affiliate link on this place if you are a newbie? Just click on this promote. You can see this promote. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you have access to be able to promote any of the products here. So I have link for this Java, but I also have link for ZPO. So I'll be going to bitly.com where that is a database, more like it's just a link trust me, where you can also trace where your conversion is coming from, where you can also trace where your conversion is coming from which country. So still doing. So I'll be getting my link from this country. So, so this is my affiliate links. This is my affiliate links. These are all my affiliate links. So I can decide to choose anyways. This is the ZPO product I'm promoting. This is also what the Java bone. So but I will be using I won't be using any of this. I won't be using I'm just showing you for you to know that truly I'm also promoting all the product there, but that's what's in the way. But I would employ you if you have money. I won't lie to you. The best method was is to go for ads. To go for ads. Going for organic sales takes time. It takes time. It takes time. So I would advise you to go for either you pay for Google ads or Facebook ads. So that's just the easiest route. That's just the easiest route if you have the money to spend. So this is just one of the easiest method and it converts well. I'll show you a good strategy which must grow as use. Which must grow as use. So I'm now on YouTube. I'll be showing you YouTube now. We're going to YouTube. So this is YouTube. Since we are promoting this is Ezipia is a weight loss product. Since we are promoting a weight loss niche product, we'll be going to YouTube to search for an influencer. An influencer, someone who already have this channel based on a specific niche. It can be weight loss, it can be etc. But I'll be searching for a weight loss niche channel. Weight loss channel. So you can see this is the doctor's Unity point out and many more and many more. You can choose any one you love. You can choose anyone you love. So I'll be choosing the doctors. Honest part, this person has 1.81 million subscribers. So imagine giving this person your affiliate link to just place it on what? On his or her videos. Imagine the sales you're going to make. Imagine the thousands of sales you're going to make. So I'll be choosing the videos. You can say 2 hours ago. You can pay this person, please. You can pay him a certain amount and tell him to place your affiliate links what on its video description. On his video description. So anytime people check on his video description and they pass through his video description to your affiliate product, surely you surely make a sale. You surely make a sale. But you can find a channel with at least that is still growing because this is already popular. This channel seems to be very popular on this platform. You can see it has 28 million subscribers. So you can go for 200,000 subscribers or less or 50,000, and the channel is getting views. So you can just give them your affiliate links what to help you promote. How can you get their information? How can you get their information? Some of them do hard. You can check one of their videos. me check on that video. You can see like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram. Can just DM them on this. Many of these platforms, then they will surely reply. They will surely reply. Or you can also comment in the comment section. If you have so much comments, can attempt 5, 6 people, or 7 to 8, 10 people. Can attempt them. We surely see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will surely give you reply. We surely give you reply. Then you can ask how much they'll be collecting. Them to help you promote your product. So that's it. That's just the strategy. I always be showing you guys today. Kindly hit the notification bell, subscribe, would say you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop out some video just like this. Thanks.